Hello everyone. In this problem, given are five identical squares which are arranged in such a way that this particular distance is half of the length of square, and similarly this is the half of the length of square. So if we have this diagonal given, which is square root of 82, then by this limited data we have to find the area of these five squares. Now let we move towards the solution. Now we draw a perpendicular from this point to this line segment. This line segment exactly divides the side of this square into two equal portions, and from here we complete a right triangle. This particular angle is of 90 degree. Let we call the side length of a square is equal to 2a. Then this length is 2a, this length is also 2a, this length is 2a, this length is 2a, and this length, which is half of 2a, that is a. So from here, this side, which is square root of 82, is the hypotenuse of this right triangle, and this leg is 4a, and this leg is 5a. Now from this red right triangle, by using Pythagorean theorem, we have 4a square plus 5a square is equal to square root of 82 square. So this term is equal to 16a square, this term is 25a square, and this is 82. 16 plus 25 is 41a square. Dividing by 41 on both sides, this 41 will be cancelled out with this 41, and this 41 will cancel out this for 82, and in numerator we will get 2. So a square is equal to 2. Now since side length of the square is 2a, so we find the area of square, which is equal to square of its side, and side is 2a, thus area of square is equal to 2a whole square, which is equal to 4a square. This is actually area of this one square. We have to find the area of all these five squares, so we just multiply with 5 and we will get area of 5 such squares, that is equal to 20a square, and we will substitute the value of a square, that is 2, and from here we will get 20 times 2. Thus area of these five identical squares arranged in this manner is equal to 40 square units. That is the answer. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to the video. Thank you for watching.